Hi guys, today will show you an application that helps me document my site works. It's a survey photo app. Um, at the moment, I think it's available for Android. I'm not sure for if it's for iOS, but you can check it out. The name of the app is Conota Camera. Before it was called Survey Camera, but they changed the name. Before it was totally free. Now it has a paid version and a free version. The free version you see advert, but on the paid version don't. I have the paid version because I want to just sustain the project, and been using this app for ages, so I think it's fair to pay the subscription, which I think is $25 per year, which is not too much. So let's get started. The app requires your location and your camera. You'll see why. Okay. So at the beginning, you can put your logo. I already have one, but I can't see it. I don't know why. So already have a logo, and then you can put your company name or whatever. You can put a project. I'll put just adding Pro and start. As you see, I'm using the Pro version. So start. So you see on the left bottom, you see exactly my logo. I couldn't see it earlier. I don't know why. And my business name and the site location, Edinburgh. Then you see the data and time, the coordinates where you can change them, and then the altitude and the site. I'm just going on here. And the site address. So if you go on this corner left bottom, you see your whole projects by date or date by project and projects, which is really cool. And if you go on the left top, you have different settings. Camera, you can change. You can see me. Torch, flash, time delay, stuff like this. If you go on the, switch this off. On the right top, you have the settings, and now things get interesting because you can choose your coordinate system, which, because I live in UK, I use the OS, but you have plenty of them, as you can see here. It's really cool. And then you can choose what you want to appear on the photo and in the file name. So project, company, notes, if you have any reference number, coordinates, accuracy, full address, date, logo, and then you can go on advanced. Okay, and then you can choose the font size, watermark, caption, and gray background. You have plenty of them. Aspect ratio, if you want the signature, which is, I think is really cool. But okay, how you use it, you just point whatever. So for example here, and you click, if you click on the one on the left, you're just taking a simple photo that you can actually write on it, or if you want, let's say you want to highlight the area, something really cool, you can write text if you want. Text, it's pretty small. Yeah, I think it's really cool. You can save the modify option. Sorry, you can save it over, or you can save it as a new file. Really cool. And if you choose the one on the right, you can write some notes. Test YouTube, for example. It's really cool. And then again, you can play with it. Make a circle, aspect ratio. You can have an arrow pointing. I think I want it the other way, like this. Really awesome. Oh, didn't want that. Yeah, you can play with this app as much as you want. I think it's really cool, and it helped me a lot with my projects to document everything and to back up. And plus, you have the coordinates, and you can geolocate it straight on the photo, and then you have the address and logo and everything, which is really cool. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe for more tips like this, and I will see you on the next one.